AMD. So this is a lesson. Oh, okay. So market is open. Let's ignore the lesson for now. Dropbox. AMD is gonna be long. AMD is gonna be a long. See, told you. AMD is gonna be a long. Crack of 3360. Yeah, see, told you. AMRN is also long. AMRN long. AMRN long, guys, at 1467. So I want to go and see if AMRN goes long for the breakup high of today. I'm long AMRN at 1467. I'm long AMRN at 1467. Huge ask. See if I can hold this high. Yeah. Sold 1484 for a really good profit. Really nice. AMRN long at 1467. Sold at 1490. Huge ask. Yeah, damn. Yeah, 1490. Yeah,
hey traders, because I sped up everything to get through the boring parts for you, and the audio's out of whack. So right now I pulled over our chat when I was in the trade, and Andrew went long in AMD. You see I circled it in his charts. So when I was already in the trade, he jumped in, so I was so happy. You see he called it out, he's speaking, and that was just another confirmation. And look at that, he got an ABCD pattern, and he partialed that perfectly. And you see I'm circling Joseph on the bottom left. We all talk about our trades in the chat to help each other, to learn from each other. And my original stop here was 33.39, and I was risking about 16 cents, and I wanted a 3-to-1 right near the even dollar. I partialed out pretty heavy, right at around 34 at 33.95, and then 34.03, and then I left 10% or so to get to 34.010. Now let's go back and follow it along.
What's the pop? NKTR was not Yelp, seems like he wants to pop up. Yelp seems like he wants to pop up. Gap down 10%. Thinking of long Yelp. Yeah. Thinking of long, let's see if you can go for opening range breakup, or maybe not. MU.
Hey, I'm going to talk over this one more time. You see I just exited there.
NKTR,
that's because you had a
heavy.
5-minute bull flag that broke out to the top above 34.08. hit 34.11 or 12, and then got rejected. And then notice the 1-minute new low after the breakout. You don't want to see that on a breakout. You want to see the momentum. So instead of holding to my original plan, I realized this is a fake out breakout. I know what happens. And look at that. After look at my final sell, no new 2-minute high, no new 1-minute high, all the way down to 33.50. So I got the heck out of there and was happy about it. Hey, if you guys like content like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification button, and always feel free to ask any questions in the comments section.